What's going on, everyone? So we had a viewer that husband was totally against poultry, and so I work in 8 to 5, and in the morning I basically tend to the birds, make sure that they're all taken care of. I let the chickens out, and then I also check on the turkeys. So I'm going to show you a quick ordeal that we do to check on the turkeys. Poultry is one of the first, easiest, low maintenance livestock that you can get. Yeah, chickens, yeah. So we go over here, check their water. Since it's hot out here in Texas, they got plenty of water. Water lines up to there. Plus they got water inside there, and even food. I think I want to take the food out of there and just keep the water in there. What are your thoughts on that? As you can see, I remodified. I added the bar across here, and then we have this little pole so Mrs. Nikki Garner can move it up. And here they come. I used to be able to feed them by hand, but they like to pluck at my fingers now. And then what we also like to do, move. We'll take a little bit of that and put it over there so that they all don't fight over it. So they all have plenty of space. These boys and girls are getting huge. Now here, we just feed them. We don't do a bucket training until the evening. Water, good on water, because in Texas, especially northeast Texas, it gets very hot. As you can see, they like cooling their feet off, but they also like pooping in this, so we have to change this at least twice a day. Now, I wish they make these black to kind of help with the UV rays, so won't get so much algae in there. I'm heading home, leaving work, heading home. So now I'm going to show you quick things that we do once I get home. Check out the garden. I tend to the chickens. Then we'll go and tend to the turkeys. Later on that evening, we'll sit down with the chickens and just wait till a majority of them start going into the coop. Once we see majority of them going, we start gathering in, so that way they can get used to we got to find a rooster. Which one is going to be the rooster, and take charge of gathering them all into the coop there. But it's very relaxing. So if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and would like to be part of our family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out. So I'm home. I'll come and check out the garden. This is our pepper row. Ooh, our horseradish doesn't look too good. I missed this pepper. Ooh, that don't look too good. We're gonna feed that to the chickens. And then we got This is Naked Gardener's lion's ear. So we got the neighborhood ducks. See if they'll let me get kind of near them. They're about to mate. All right, so the missus and I are about to go eat real quick, and then we'll show you how we deal with the chickens and turkeys. Mrs. made some delicious dinner. I got some chicken scraps that I'm gonna feed to the turkeys. We fed them some, we fed the chicken some chicken scrap last time, so it's gonna be the turkey time. Here's some of the scraps that we fed them last time. Look at these bad boys. They're so bad. Bad little girl. Bad little girl. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Let me turn the fence back on. Maybe y'all leave the fence alone then. Oh. Y'all still touching the fence. Let's see, this is what I'm talking about. When their mouth is open, that means they're hot. So, let me go check this fence real quick. Alright, let's see what this fence is at. So y'all are... See if I can do this with one hand. Oh, I can. Alright. So with this, we just plug it into there. And then, let's see. Ooh, that's not good. Hey, get off of that. 3.2, I don't like that. 3.5. I would like it to be around the 5 area. So what we'll probably want to have to do, I'm gonna get the missus to come out here. I'm gonna lay down this fence and get the push mower and mow around the edge of here to see what we can do there, see if we can increase it. But in the meantime, turn it off. Here.
Don't eat the bugs that it attracts.
Yeah. Alright. What I was telling them was what we might have to do after we do the bucket training, feeding them into the chickens, is lay this down. I'm going to have you take the turkeys out the way, and we'll just mow around the fence area, because the voltmeter was at like 3.2, so I want it to be around at least a 5.0. Don't want the water to be, because when you first use the water hose, just like the garden, you want to make sure all that hot water is out.
Especially in August in Texas.
Yeah. Good on water right there. Did you fill this up earlier?
Well, you left the cap on this morning, and I noticed it at 2 o'clock when I came out to check on them.
Oopsie.
I know. I was like, oh, poor baby.
Was it all dried out?
No, there was still some down there. But did you dump that out?
Yes.
Okay.
I was trying to do a clean water.
They are waiting on it.
All they do is just
They like their little pedicures and that thing.
their little spa.
Mm-hmm. They know.
Hey, get away.
at them.
Love this. Oh. Oh. What, you want me to hold you? You want me to hold you? Hammer, run it. All right, y'all ready?
That's it, babies. That's it.
That's good. Put some over here. Put some over here. And then we'll put some right here so that way we can sneak grab them when we have the chance. So as you can see, I believe chickens or turkeys, I don't know about turkeys, but definitely chickens, egg-laying chickens should possibly be your first homestead experience of a livestock. They're low maintenance. They're easy to, for us it seemed like they're easy to raise.
We heard nightmares about turkeys.
Yeah.
And I mean, our first experience has just been so good that maybe we were lucky this time.
Yeah, who knows? But it's just like having a dog. You feed them and you go to work and come home, feed them, play with them, interact with them. It is what it is.
How do you feel? Do you feel it gives you a sense of comfort because we do have the Ring cameras and you are able to check on them?
Now, of course, there's always a fear of losing an animal when you're starting out. We've always heard the dreaded fox, raccoons, hawks coming down and taking some of your chickens, and we were even worried about our Sage the cat even, but he doesn't even like to be out here.
He's afraid of them.
Yeah, we put him near the...
They're fascinated with him. They go to the fence and look for him to come over, but he wants nothing to do with them.
Yeah, I mean, even the turkeys, he just ran away from the turkeys. So I believe these are easy chickens. Now, if you're in an apartment or renting or in a different neighborhood where you're not sure that you can have chickens, check them out. I know if you're in HOA, you probably most likely can't.
Or sometimes it's just not being able to have a rooster.
Yeah, so check to see how many chickens you can have. They're very quiet, besides when they're laying eggs or they're fighting on each other, but it's fairly easy.
For us, we're empty nesters, so this is a time at the end of the day that we actually sit and chill and hang out with our chickens.
And just talk.
We just talk and catch up and watch them and laugh, and I feel like it's a positive thing for us.
Yeah.
Because we're not dealing with kids.
Yeah, and it's good to interact with your animals, whether it's chicken, turkeys, whatever type of livestock it is. It's just, and also to have that bucket when we do our bucket training. That way, if any of them do happen to get out, it's easy to try to bring them back in. I wouldn't say they will come back in, but it helps a lot. So we hope you like this video. We'll put a video on the side where YouTube thinks that you should be watching next after this. Until the next video, let's grow together.